Are you ready to redefine your gaming experience? Forget everything you thought you knew about handheld gaming. Introducing the ASUS ROG Ally X, a powerhouse that's set to change the game. Unboxing and first impressions. Let's dive right in and unbox this gaming beast. Look at this sleek design. It's clear that ASUS has put a lot of thought into the aesthetics, but it's not just about looks, it's about what's on the inside that truly counts. Core features break down. One major concern for gamers is often limited storage capacity. ASUS has addressed this issue with the ROG Ally X by equipping it with a generous 1 TB SSD. This substantial storage space means you can install your entire game library without the constant need to delete games to free up space. This SSD not only provides ample room for multiple large titles, but also ensures faster load times and improved performance, enhancing your overall gaming experience. With the ROG Ally X, you'll have the convenience of accessing all your favorite games at any time without worrying about storage constraints. Lightning-fast performance. Let's talk power. With 24GB LPDDR5X RAM, this device is a performance monster. Say goodbye to lag and stuttering. Even the most demanding games run smoothly. It's like having a desktop gaming experience in the palm of your hand. Extended battery life. Battery life is crucial for portable gaming. The ROG Ally X delivers with an impressive battery that keeps you gaming for hours on end. No more worrying about running out of juice during your favorite missions. Compact and portable. This gaming powerhouse is surprisingly compact. It fits perfectly in your hands, making it the ideal companion for gaming on the go. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or just relaxing on the couch, the ROG Ally X is always ready for action. Additional USB-C port. Versatility is key. The ROG Ally X comes equipped with an additional USB-C port. Charge your device, connect external storage, or even use it as a video output. It's a small feature that makes a big difference. Windows-based platform. One of the biggest advantages of the ROG Ally X is its Windows-based operating system. This means access to a vast library of games beyond Steam. You're not limited to a single platform. The world of gaming is at your fingertips. Comparison with ROG Ally. The ROG Ally X builds on the strong foundation of the original ROG Ally, offering several key improvements. The Ally X features enhanced storage options, providing more space for games and files compared to its predecessor. It also comes with upgraded RAM, which ensures smoother multitasking and better performance during intense gaming sessions. Battery life has been significantly extended in the Ally X, allowing for longer uninterrupted playtime. Additionally, the overall performance is boosted with advanced hardware and optimization, delivering a superior gaming experience with faster load times and more responsive gameplay. In essence, the ROG Ally X is designed for gamers who demand the highest performance and reliability from their handheld gaming device. In-depth analysis and expert opinions. Gaming experts and enthusiasts alike are lauding the ROG Ally X for its exceptional blend of power, portability, and versatility. They ally its impressive hardware, which includes a high-performance processor and advanced graphics capabilities, enabling smooth gameplay even with demanding titles. The Ally X compact, ergonomic design makes it highly portable, allowing gamers to enjoy top-tier gaming experiences on the go without sacrificing comfort or control. Its versatility is another major plus, as it supports a wide range of games and applications, catering to both casual players and hardcore enthusiasts. Reviewers are particularly excited about its extended battery life and improved storage options, which enhance the overall user experience. In essence, the ROG Ally X is celebrated for pushing the boundaries of handheld gaming devices, making it a standout choice in the market. Are you ready to experience the future of gaming? The ASUS ROG Ally X is more than just a handheld console, it's a gaming revolution. Head over to your nearest retailer or visit the ASUS website to get yours today. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. The ASUS ROG Ally X is not just a device, it's a statement. It's a statement that you demand the best gaming experience, no matter where you are. So, what are you waiting for? Unleash your inner gamer and join the ROG Ally X revolution.